guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we're unboxing another Splendies subscription unboxing. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Alright guys, welcome back. As I said, we're doing another Splendies subscription unboxing. For those of you who don't know what we do on this channel, we unbox different subscriptions, reviews, hauls, everything in between. We will find it for you and show you what if they're worth it, if they're not worth it. Splendies is one I have been obsessed with. What Splendies is, if you don't know, Splendies is a monthly subscription bag where they send you new pair of underwear every month. They send you 3 pairs of underwear and it goes all the way up to 4X. So this is definitely one that is open to everyone. I will have their information in the description box below so you guys can check that out. Now this is the most recent. What I actually do, just an example for you guys if you want to do this. I have an 18-year-old, so I share this subscription with her. So 1 month I'll switch the size to my size, 1 month I'll switch it to hers, just so that we can both take advantage and not have like a separate subscription. So maybe if you have a daughter, you can do that also. So that's what we do. So we always have like a fresh pair of undies. So I love it. It's been definitely worth it. You guys have loved it. It's like one of the most watched videos on my channel. So I'm definitely love to share this one. So this is again for October. This is what it comes in. It actually comes in a bag like this. So no one knows what you're actually getting. So it's very discreet. And then this is the package that it actually comes in. So let's see what came in this month's package. Let me get my handy scissors so we can check it out together. And then it actually comes discreet like this. So you guys can check that out as well with their little sticker. And then we will see what is in the package. So okay, now this month, this is actually, I already see off the bat, we're gonna be in love with this one. Okay, so the very first one I have here, and I'll show you what my daughter's probably gonna be super excited for. This is, it looks like a cotton, well, it is cotton. This is from the brand Splendies, and they do share their own underwear, but they also include like other brands also. So this one retails for $12 is what that looks like. And then you see that's flowers, and then this is a thong. So that is what that one looks like. Super cool. I know she's gonna get value out of that one. And then the next one we have here, this October's was Halloween themed. So this is cool. It's October. It's past probably when you're watching this, but I'm sure they will still get use out of this one. So this is, looks like more of a satiny one. This is also Splendies. This is a retail value of $12. Let me see if there's any information on, I don't see any information on the cotton, or probably like a spandexy more so type. This is again a thong. You see that there. So these are really, really cute. So that's another one. And then another one we have here, this is from Wilshire, Montana. This is a retail value of $12. This, as you can see, has a bow in the middle, lace on the side, and then it's like a satiny feel. So these are just regular underwear. So that is really cool. And then last but not least, we have here, this is from Splendies, and this is $12 as well. So this is what this one looks like here. These look super, super comfy, and I know she's gonna like this. So this is really cool. I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like an alien. I don't know. It looks weird, but it looks cute at the same time. So this again has the bow in the middle, lace on the top, and then you guys can see that lace on the side, and it has like all a satiny feel to it. Normally, like I said, you guys get 3 underwear brand new every month, but this month they gave me an extra pair because what they do is every month, if you hashtag Splendies on Instagram or on YouTube, they will try to find and just pick someone instantly or randomly and give them a free pair of underwear. So you guys have a chance to do that. But normally, this is 4 pair. Normally you would get 3 pair. So I didn't want that to throw you off. And again, I will have a coupon code also in the description box below that is still working. So you guys can use it. So let's do a recap and see what was inside this box. So we have here the Splendies one, and then we have from Wilshire, Montana, we have that one here, and then we have the underwear here. So, and then we have the cotton one. So what did you guys think about October? I know everyone's underwear is totally different, so you may watch this one and see someone else's video and they look totally different. So let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of this package this month. I know I love it. This is definitely a subscription I would recommend to others. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And if you love videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Have a good day, guys.